You're insulting the universe by not allowing yourself to be who you truly are, all right? Stop restraining yourself. Stop repressing who you are. The world deserves to have your presence, your company, okay? You are a gift to the world, okay? You're your own unique person. You have something to offer. Yes, even if you're boring and stupid, all right? It doesn't matter. There's people out there for you. There's potential friends out there for you. And you're wasting your life away. It's repressing that. Like, you're probably just 10% yourself when you're with people. Because you're like, it's like, oh, I don't want them to judge me or whatever. And then you become a boring person because you're just repressing who you are, just like a lot of other people do. And you're just thinking, what's there to see? We can't see who you are. You're just some other person because you're not expressing that. Just do it and accept the fact that people are going to judge you. Some people are not going to like you. But you got, it's your duty, is what I'm saying. It is your duty to be yourself, to fully express who you are, and to offer what you have to offer. Even if you think you have nothing to offer, you're wrong. Of course you have something to offer. And I'm not saying stop improving yourself. The thing is, you might be thinking, oh, I need to first, I need to improve as a person before I can, feel comfortable with who I am or whatever. No, keep improving yourself as a person. I'm not saying just fully accept who you are and don't try to change. Like, hell no. Like, there's probably a lot of things about yourself that you should change, but you shouldn't wait for that change to happen before you can actually connect with people, okay? People are waiting for you, okay? People, what if, you think of the potential friendships you could form, but it's not gonna happen if you're just like pushing down your personality because you're afraid of being judged or whatever. So take this as a sign. This is a sign you've been waiting for, or the sign you didn't know you were waiting for, okay? This is it. Now's the time. Now's the time to get out there, be yourself, and because life is short and precious. Like, it's so unlikely to become a person, to be alive. Like, what the hell is life and consciousness? It's an insane thing. And you're just wasting it away, being just afraid of people knowing who you truly are. Just be like, oh, I don't want people to judge me. What are you doing? What are you doing? It's like, oh my God, it is so insulting to, God or life or the universe or whatever you want to call it. It really is insulting. You owe it to the universe. You really do, And maybe you think, life sucks. I didn't ask to be born, whatever. Okay, I don't want to argue with that shit. That's not my philosophy. My philosophy is this is awesome. But it's, it's not going to be awesome if you don't let it be awesome. It's not going to be awesome if you don't fully embrace who you are. That's what I'm saying. All right. That's it for today. I'm just angry and enthusiastic at the same time. Have you ever seen this emotion on someone before? I don't know. It's a new one. Get out there. Be you.